Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joe and you are welcome to Learning with Joe. So if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, I would like you to click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. So what this channel is all about is about learning, is about sharing information, especially about technology and every other thing in between. So today on Learning with Joe, we'll be talking about DEX. DEX stands for Decentralized Exchanges, okay? So, and today I'll be talking about the Waves Exchange in particular. So Waves Exchange is a decentralized exchange, and when we talk about DEX and other things in crypto, DEX basically means that you as a user of this platform, you are in charge of your own cryptocurrencies, you are in charge of your own account, okay? Whatever cryptocurrency or anything you own on those platforms cannot be touched or used by the owner of those platforms, okay? So when you're using a DEX for trading, your cryptocurrency is in your control 100%. So that is one of the benefits of using a DEX. And Waves Exchange is a DEX, okay? And it is one of the DEX I'm using these days, and I would like to show you how you can actually buy cryptocurrencies or trade cryptocurrencies with people using the Waves Exchange. So to proceed, I will minimize my camera now. I'll bring it down a little, and then I will go to the Waves platform to show you how it works. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the page for the Waves Exchange platform, okay? So when you come to Waves Exchange, this is what you will find. And then as a new user, if you don't have an account with them, you can sign up. So you can sign up either using an email or software. Software allows you to have a seed phrase or private key and stuff like that, okay? So if you're a new user, let's say you are not familiar, you're not so techy, okay, you can go with the email sign up option, whereby you can sign up with your email and then you can easily log in with your email and password. But if you're an advanced user, you understand what is seed phrase, you can keep your private keys and every other thing, so you can use the software version, okay? Actually I have accounts using the software as well as the email option, okay? So you can decide which one you want. So once you create an account with either of these ways, you see, when you want to create an account, all you need is your email and a password, nothing. They don't take your ID card, they don't collect any personal information from you. So basically all you need to sign up is just email and password, okay? So as long as you have an email and a password, you can sign up on the Waves Exchange and you can start trading or buying cryptocurrencies. So I already have an account on Waves Exchange, so what I'll do is I'll click on the login, and then I'll click on login with email. You can see welcome back, and then email and password is filled in. Then I'll click on the continue. So once I click on that, I'll wait for the system to log me into my Waves Exchange account, okay? So when you log into your Waves Exchange account, you are shown a dashboard like this. This is the wallet page, okay? On this page you will see all the cryptocurrencies that are available and the ones that you are holding, okay? Let's say peradventure there's a token you are looking for that you can't find on this page. You can click on this plus button and then it brings a pop-up, so you can actually search for a token to see if it's available, and then you can add it to your pin list. Then I can pin this, and then you see what is showing right here, okay? If I scroll up, you can see I have waves of 0.016 and whatever, okay? So this is my wallet. This is where I check all my tokens, my coins and everything, okay? And the cool thing with Waves is this, Waves Exchange allows you to buy Bitcoin using credit card. You see these options that say buy? I can actually click on this and then use my credit card to buy Bitcoin. Let's say 500 USD of Bitcoin. So I can buy 500 USD, Euro, Ruby, GBP, depending on the currency. I can pick a currency and then buy Bitcoin worth that amount, okay? So, and also you can use it to buy USDN. USDN is a stable coin pegged to the US dollars on the neutrino protocol. So I can say, okay, put $1,000 there. So technically it's more or less like storing some money on my Waves wallet, and I can use my USDN to buy any form of crypto at any point in time. So now, to buy cryptocurrencies on Waves Exchange, for you to trade crypto, where all of this happens is on the trading platform. So I have to go to the trading page. I click on the trading, and then trading takes me to this page. Okay, I've interacted with some people, and they're kind of like, oh, the platform, I don't understand. How do I buy tokens? How do I trade? How do I exchange it? So I said, okay, fine, let me show you. It's quite simple and straightforward. This is like your record book. Okay, nothing shows here. This particular place is where you see your buy and sell orders. Assuming I'm trying to buy a coin or a token, it will be saved here. Okay, if I've placed an order. So right here is where you pick your pairs, what you want to trade. For example, right now I'm checking Waves against BTC. Okay, I don't want to do that. I can go here to go for Waves against USDN. Okay, so now Waves against USDN. The last, and here on this panel where we have order book, I can see the last price for Waves. Okay, so the last Waves that was sold or bought was at 10.0499. okay, so now this is the last price that somebody bought or sold one Waves. Okay, so there are various asset pair right here. There's LTC, BTC, there's ETH. A quick way to find your asset is just to click on this search. When I click on search, I can say okay, LTC, and then it will load up all pairs of LTC. So LTC against BTC, Waves, USDT. So let's say I want to buy LTC with USDT. I have USDT. I can click on this, then it will change. Look at this place now, USDT against LTC. The last price was 182. So now basically, if I want to buy LTC right here, I won't pay 182. That's not the smartest thing to do. The smartest thing to do right here is to I'll do something like, okay, I can click on 181, change it to buy, make sure I'm on the buy tab, and then I can set my limit to 180.9059. okay, so what happens is if I create a buy order right now, right here, it will save this order in this column, in this section of my trading tab, and then when the price of LTC falls to 180.9057, it will be bought and added to my wallet. Okay, so I don't have to buy it at the current market price. I can actually set a buy order and then keep it there, and so whenever the price drops to this, if the price should drop to this, okay, then the LTC will be bought from. But of course, remember, you have to have USDT, like you have to fund your account before you can do this. So this is just basically how you trade on Waves Exchange. I can go here and look for which other coin do I want to buy, ETH, and then I can find pairs of each TH. These are cryptocurrencies or stable coins that I can trade with ETH. So we have USDT, BTC, USDM. So I can actually buy ETH with my USDT, or I can decide to buy ETH with Waves. Okay, so if I have Waves to ETH, I can get ETH to Waves. See, 173. That was the last price. So you can set your buy margin depending on what you want to do. So 173 Waves will actually give you 1 Ethereum. Okay, so if I have enough Waves in my wallet, I can create an order and say okay, fine, when the price hits, let's say 170, take my 170 Waves and give me 1 ETH. Okay, so you tell them take my 170 Waves, give me my 1 ETH, and I can set this there, and when this price drops to this level, I'll get my ETH automatically. So basically, that is how you trade and buy crypto on Waves Exchange. It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned how to buy and trade cryptocurrencies on Waves Exchange. So I'll be making a couple of more videos about Waves Exchange, especially when it comes to staking. okay, staking and farming of cryptocurrencies and the like. So I'll be making some new videos. Okay, so I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button so that you won't miss all my coming videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below. Enjoy the rest of your day.